Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode explores AI Innovations Unleashed, featuring 31 papers from computer science, artificial intelligence, uploaded on October 13, 2025, to the arXiv preprint server. This presentation overviews today's AI breakthroughs. A journey through 31 fresh AI papers is undertaken, blending innovation with real-world impact. Field context, key themes, findings, methods, standout studies, and future directions are covered. Accessible insights on AI's evolution in thinking, acting, and adapting are provided. A cohesive story without jargon overload is delivered to spark curiosity and understanding. Computer science, artificial intelligence focuses on machines that learn, reason, and decide like humans. Key areas include problem solving, language understanding, and handling uncertainty in real-world tasks. Impacts are seen in industries like healthcare for diagnostics and finance for fraud detection. Ethics, safety, and sustainability questions are raised as AI grows more powerful. These 31 papers advance trustworthy, scalable AI across theory and practice. A key theme is enhancing reasoning and decision-making, building smarter AI cognition. AI's ability to reason through complex, ambiguous tasks is improved. Montazeralga and colleagues use diffusion methods for preference elicitation via clarifying questions. Queen and colleagues benchmark large language models on clinical genetics, highlighting gaps in detailed analysis. Human-like thinking is focused on for applications like personalization and scientific reasoning. This connects to broader AI evolution toward reliable decision-making in data-rich scenarios. This theme explores agent-based systems and autonomy, empowering independent AI agents. Autonomous agents that plan, collaborate, and adapt in simulations are examined. Sani and colleagues show single-agent setups outperforming multi-agent in machine learning tasks. Jin and colleagues introduce dual memory systems for educational agent dynamics. Efficiency in virtual worlds, like cooking or economy simulations, is emphasized. A narrative toward scalable, self-evolving AI for real-world automation is built. Agents evolve through reinforcement learning, a method where AI learns from trial and error rewards. Qian and colleagues simulate AI-driven economies, predicting growth impacts between nations. Autonomy is tied in by enabling agents to handle dynamic, interactive environments. Potential for AI in policy and societal modeling is highlighted. This theme centers on evaluation, explainability, and efficiency, ensuring reliable and sustainable AI. Benchmarking, bias reduction, and resource optimization for trustworthy AI are addressed. Kapoor and colleagues create leaderboards to expose flaws in agent performance. Dung and colleagues analyze alignment failures, advocating diverse safety strategies. Jain and colleagues mitigate biases in model judgments for fairer evaluations. Links to sustainability are made, like Marioni and colleagues' power management in data centers. Critical insights from the papers include these key findings. Simpler agents excel. Sani and colleagues achieve a 0.4 medal rate, outperforming complex multi-agent systems. Large language models are overconfident in details. Queen and colleagues show low true negatives in genetics tasks. Bias reduction doubles accuracy. Jain and colleagues and Dung and colleagues reveal shared failures in alignment. Efficiency boosts are seen. Garg and colleagues graphs and Marioni and colleagues power optimizations cut costs. Economic shifts are predicted. Qian and colleagues forecast AI accelerating growth, with global policy implications. Approaches across papers are synthesized in this methodology overview. Large language model-based agents are fine-tuned for tasks like planning, strong in adaptability but prone to hallucinations. Benchmarking harnesses enable reproducible tests, as in Kapoor and colleagues, though resource-intensive. Reinforcement learning optimizes via rewards, used in Jin and colleagues for dynamic simulations. Graph-based modeling handles relationships, like Gao and colleagues' diffusion for knowledge graphs. Simulation frameworks test what-if scenarios, scalable but assumption-dependent. The first selected research paper is by Montazeralga and colleagues, 2025. The full title is Asking Clarifying Questions for Preference Elicitation with Large Language Models. It is selected for its novel use of diffusion models to improve user personalization in AI interactions. Conversational AI is impacted by reducing ambiguity through sequential questioning. Baselines are outperformed in accuracy, with broad applications in e-commerce and healthcare. The key theme of reasoning enhancement is represented with innovative, generative techniques. The second selected research paper is by Deng and colleagues, 2025. The full title is AI Alignment Strategies from a Risk Perspective: Independent Safety Mechanisms or Shared Failures? It is chosen for reframing AI safety through analysis of technique overlaps and failure modes. Only 30% independence in methods is revealed, urging diverse strategies for risk reduction. Significance for ethical AI development and policy is noted, addressing superintelligence challenges. Explainability and safety themes are exemplified with a practical, literature-grounded framework. The third selected research paper is by Kapoor and colleagues, 2025. The full title is Holistic Agent Leaderboard: The Missing Infrastructure for AI Agent Evaluation. It is selected for creating standardized, multidimensional evaluations exposing agent flaws. 21,000 rollouts are analyzed, revealing issues like tool misuse and accuracy drops. Benchmarking infrastructure is advanced, influencing reliable AI design and regulations. The evaluation theme is captured with open-sourced tools for transparency and progress. Next steps in AI research are outlined in these future directions. Hybrid agents combine large language models with graphs and reinforcement learning for versatile, tool-using systems. Ethical integrations strengthen ties to law and economics for regulatory compliance. Sustainable tech advances edge computing and efficient methods to reduce energy demands. Advanced benchmarking incorporates real-world variability to address current limitations. Challenges are tackled: scaling responsibly, minimizing hallucinations, and diversifying alignments. This deck was synthesized using AI tools. GPT-Grok with model Grok 40709 for content generation. TTS synthesis was handled via Google for audio elements. Image generation used Google for visuals. Review by a human expert ensured accuracy and coherence. Potential oversights may exist. All references are provided for verification. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more deep dives into AI research. The title is AI Frontiers. The description is exploring the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence through paper syntheses and discussions. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss an episode. Join the community and share thoughts on today's innovations. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprintserver.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprintserver.org.